Hi, my name's Xtine. I've challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today is day 11, and I want to talk about something serious. Now, anyone who knows me well knows that I'm something of a Taco Bell connoisseur. I enjoy it very much. It's been a big part of my life for a long time, and I try to embody the Live Moss lifestyle on a day-to-day basis. I've eaten Taco Bell on a plane, on a beach. I was once a fire packet for Halloween, and I've even carved a Taco Bell pumpkin. And anyone who knows Taco Bell well knows that Taco Bell has a very rare, very exclusive, very limited edition beverage option, the crown jewel of soft drinks. Of course I'm referring to the Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me.
However, it has recently come to my attention that apparently you can make Baja Blast at home using just 3 ingredients. Of course, being the Taco Bell fanatic that I am, I need to try this out. I saw it on TikTok and I need to know if it's a real thing. I cannot rest until I know. I'm ready. Okay, allegedly, according to TikTok, the 3 ingredients are Sprite, Mountain Dew, and the wild card, Blue Powerade, aka Mountain Berry Blast. Let's do this. First, of course, we need some ice. Now my Baja Blast will be cold. Now, allegedly, we just add equal parts of each of these 3 things. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 3/3 equals 1 whole Baja Blast. Let's start with Sprite. I think that's roughly the right amount. Next, Mountain Dew. I'm getting nervous, but also excited. Finally, the Blue Powerade. This is what we're working with. It does appear to be the color of Baja Blast. I'm nervous. I'm genuinely nervous. It's close. I feel like it's got a little too much Powerade flavor. I'm gonna try to add a little bit more Mountain Dew. It's just sort of the most potent looking Baja Blast you've ever seen. Let's try it now. That is pretty close. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being water, not Baja Blast at all, and 10 being definitely Baja Blast, this is about a 7.5 or an 8. It's mostly Baja Blast, but it's not quite the real thing. But it's close. But it's not quite the real thing. I'm sure there's a metaphor in there somewhere.